Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this rechargeable and portable fan that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say that this one could be really good for two different scenarios. So if you like camping, hiking, fishing, or going to the beach, this guy over here is gonna be really good because it's fully rechargeable, and it also, by the way, comes with a remote controller. You can just put it there so you don't lose it if you go to the beach or something like that. But also this one could be really good for like situations like camping again or something like that, just because besides being rechargeable with a USB-C port, it comes with a USB-A port, and you can use this one as a power bank. It comes with 10,000 milliamp hours battery, so that's going to be really good for also charging your devices. And if you're going camping, you can actually put this one kind of like from the tent or something like that with this hook and just use it as a tent or like a camping fan. Also, this one for like the office or things like that is going to be really cool because you can see that this one is really portable but also powerful. And by the way, it also comes with a light. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I don't think so because there's so many lights in here in my room, but also comes with a light that you can change the color. So right now it's kind of like an RGB mode, and this one is going to be kind of like blue, red, I mean, you know, the RGB colors, and you can actually turn them off with the actual remote controller. But we're not going to do it, and it shows a battery display right here, how much battery it has left. So what we're going to do right now, and by the way, you can just point this one up or something like that. We're going to turn it on. This is my microphone, so you're going to hear how much this one blows. So let's actually turn it on. This is going to be speed number 1. I hope that it's pointing. Yeah, it's pointing on my face, so you will be able to hear with my microphone. Number 2, number 3. Yeah, this is quite powerful, just judging by the size. And number 4, you can hear how much this one is blowing to my face right now. Let's actually turn it off. But also, I want to show you this right here. So you turn it on, and it's with the lights on still. So let's actually turn it on just like this. So speed number 1. And this is going to be kind of like really cool, right? Let's actually see if I can hit it from here. So you have the lights right here, and you also have an oscillating effect. So you can put the timer, you can put the lights, you can use it for camping or hiking or fishing, going to the beach or your office, whatever, with the remote controller, fully rechargeable. And also, I gotta say, for the size, it's tiny but mighty.